Okay.
Okay. Right. So I'll let me share the command prompt. I think others some they don't know what is CMD, so I'll show you. Or share that to you. Right. So actually, those days the accountants or whatever they use something like this kind of thing. Actually, can you see my? There's a black box the screen command prompt. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what to say? That was a hard time actually to use the computer. Not like that nowadays. Uh, anyone can use computers, right? Because it is made by like a understandable language, user friendly. We say computers are now user friendly. Even the mobile phones also same. When they start to develop the app store, the the phones are very user friendly. You all can use the phone very easily, even though you don't need to study or you don't need to go for a class. Yes or no? Do you need to go for a class to learn how to use a phone or I think a laptop even nowadays? Do you need? Who say you need? Anyone?
No, miss.
No, no one, right? So you don't need because it is like a understandable for a human, and for human image capturing is 80% of image capturing is there, right? More than learning incidents and those stuff, image capturing is fast. So that's why uh, even the phones, these apps and everything is fully like GUI, right? Icons and everything is in graphical user interface level, right? That's the thing. So you don't need a degree to use a phone or a laptop, whatever. You don't need nowadays. It's just you can understand, right? But you have to read some things. These other things are okay, right? So now I'm just typing tree, right? If I type tree in CMD command prompt, can you see something running? Did you see? Did you see or not? Right? Uh, can you see? Right? So in my desktop, right, it shows final project C sharp face recognition, like ATM base. What are the projects they are in my PC? It shows in the documents, right? Again, same thing if you go to uh, yeah. So documents, my image and that and everything, it shows in a path, right? So in doc image, now image, this is the image what I have in images, right? Documents, if we take in the documents, these are the things I have, right? ATM DB means ATM database like that, right? So backup that and this whatever I have, it shows in a program, right? So of words how to you can do the configuration and everything. So first you should know so those days, right, come back, those days what they do is people should know the codings what you're going to type, right? Then if you know the coding only you can handle the computers. And another thing why we were saying it as a single user, do you have any idea why did they call it as those days the computer as single user, single use? Any ideas? So you should know what is the use you're learning these things. That's why I'm just discussing. Anyone, Judith? Have you ever heard like that something? Hmm? What, Judith?
Yeah, miss, can you say it again? That tell again? Yeah, I can't hear that. Network problem.
All right. So what's the meaning of single user, multi-user?
Single user, only one can use only one application.
Okay.
But multi-user, many can use many application.
Very good. Right. So those days, okay, now we'll talk about difference. Those days, what happened? The black box was there. So that was, we say that then that time period we used to say that as a single user, right? But now after the GUI, after the Windows was introduced into the market, right? We are using the multi-user one, GUI, right? So graphical user interface. So you most of the things are appeared with the icons, right? Now start means there's a small in Windows 10 there's a small window or something, right? Search means there's a magnifier glass. Documents means it's like a folder, right? Internet Explorer, how you find? It means like a E, right? So there are a lot of icons you can find out things, right? Rather than going and searching and typing, by using icons you can find. So that's why we say GUI as graphical user interface. So by the way, now single user, the way I think who explained Judith was saying was correct. Now single user at a time, one thing only you can do. But multi-user, after Windows were introduced to the market, now while you think you're studying, while you're studying, you want to listen to music, listen for a music, and while listening to music, you want to browse the internet. Like that, you can do 4, 5, or 6 whatever things by by opening the tabs. You can use the computer. So that is why we say multi-user, right? So learn that two difference. So Nimeshi, are you okay? Did you understand? Okay, Zainab, I hope you also understood, right? So that's why you should learn the difference all the time, right? So shall we move back? Okay. So what is the answer for the GUI?
B, no, miss.
B. Yeah, so it says use button, menus, and icons. And what's the B? Should be easy for users to manipulate, right? So here C, do you see the answer? What was the answer for C they have given?
Miss, you didn't share the screen.
Okay. What is the answer they have given in C? Did you see anyone? Okay, right. Now can you see? Hmm? Now can you see?
Yeah,
What's the
miss,
answer?
stands for graphic user interaction.
Why it's wrong?
GUI stands for graphical user
Very
interface.
good, right? So that is the difference. Not graphic use interaction. Sometimes they ask what is GUI. Yeah? That question may be in CP or whatever it comes. Don't be confused. That's called graphical user interface, not use interaction. So that means GUI, no, graphic user interaction. You will think that's the correct. So that's wrong. That is graphical user interface, right? So fine. We'll move to the next question. Okay. What's the answer?
Miss, I put application deployment,
Sorry.
but the answer
Okay.
is all of the above.
Yeah, all of the above. You can debug, syntax check, application deployment. What's the meaning of syntax check? You know,
Uh,
while you're yeah, tell me.
Checking errors.
Yes, that's we call as syntax errors, right? While you're debug, so debugging means when you start the program, it start running. Can you see it takes little time? All and I say I used to tell you all know that debugging is successfully. It shows a small message down right corner to the program. I think it shows debug successfully or something like that, right? So that means so these all will be there, right? Remember these all will be there. Okay, so shall we move to the session, the other one? Question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Okay, what is the answer for this?
Attributes.
Yeah. So they ask, sorry, love custom items for information about a program element to be stored with an assembly metadata. So that means attribute. What's the meaning of attribute? Attributes?
Attributes.
It's sort of an element.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
telling the example, Miss.
Okay.
Yeah, href, imgsrc, like that was.
So, can you tell me definition? Can you?
I don't know the definition, Miss,
It says
but
program.
the idea I know.
Yeah, it's okay. It's very simple. About a program elements to be stored within an assembly. So data is stored as attributes. That's why we say the elements, right? In a data base, right? That's we say as the element, right? That's simple. Okay, shall we move to the next question? What's the answer? What's the answer for question number 7? Wrong for everyone.
Yeah, Miss, I don't know the value types and difference types.
Anyone? So I think it's A, sorry, it's B, right? It says which of the following is not correct about the value types of reference types in VB.NET, right? So dim statement is used to create a variable that represent a value type. Reference type must be instant after declaration. I think from where I left, students, from where I left,
From the 7th question.
you didn't see whatever I talked or nothing.
No, miss. Your voice is not clear.
Now okay.
Now okay, miss.
I don't know when this problem is going to solve. Right. So if my connection go out, don't leave. Okay. Right. So the answer for question 7 is B. Okay. Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, miss.
So it says the difference is the data associated with the value type in allocated. So this question actually won't come for your exam, that's I'm sure. So I'm not chasing behind of that question as well. So next one.
B. Graphical user interface.
Okay. So Microsoft Windows use a GUI environment. GUI pronouns GUI stands for graphical. Okay. Next.
Variables.
Okay. Yeah, I think variables. The dash enables us to pass data between a program and a class. Okay. Good that I remember. I'll mark it today. I'll teach you all what. I mean, it's B. Okay, next, what's the answer? What's the answer for the question number 10? What's the answer for question number 10?
B.
Is that correct for you, the answer?
I think no, miss.
Is A. Let's see. So which is true about the name and text property of a controller? Okay, there is a property called text controller. Can you remember? Can you remember? So while you're doing the practicals, just check add one also. So you should know the names properly. There is a thing called text property controller. That means it's onto your left side, right? When you edit, there's a text property controller comes. So for the they said answer, there are same when the controller is first created, right? Why it's correct means now when you open, I mean drag and drop a label, it shows label 1. Do it comes as username, password or something? You have to go and change, right? Okay, can you all hear me by the way? Can you all hear me?
Yeah, miss.
So you have to go and change the control, right? So that is that. Right. Can you all do me a favor? Can you all write these questions in your books and with the answer? Hmm?
Okay, miss.
Okay, I'll give you time. 10 minutes enough or more than that? You all have to tell me. Have to tell me.
10 minutes enough.
Is enough, no? What about others? Others? Mishi, Zainab. Okay, I hope that's enough. Someone is messaged me. Who is that? Okay, Zainab said 10 minutes. Okay, Zainab, you can talk to me, right? Okay, finish. I'll finish. Or still doing? Students, I'll finish. Hmm? Can you all hear me, by the way? Students?
Yeah, I'm still doing.
Doing. Oh, let
Yeah.
me know. Okay.
Okay. Miss, I put a message now.
It can be a message. Sorry, I won't read actually messages.
Eh.
Students, once you finish, please tell me. Okay. Right. So next week onwards, we'll do some VB programs. So I don't think because these days you all didn't do no programs, so I think you might be out of touch by the way. So others, do you all have your laptops? Do you have?
I have.
Sorry, Nimeshi, do you have?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, good. So have you installed VB.NET?
Yes,
Sorry? Nimeshi, did you install VB.NET?
yes, miss.
Okay, very good. So have you tried ever?
Yeah.
What is the program you tried? By the way, your Moodle was not working, no?
Simple calculator.
Okay.
Activity 1, 2, 3.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Activity 1, 2,
2,
3.
3 you did. So
Yeah.
there is no any mistakes, right? The program is running successfully now.
Some codes are not working, miss. Hide.
Hide. Why? Maybe that day that Judith also had a small problem, no? That means if there is a form 2, that means if you didn't open a form 2, then the coding won't work. Huh? That is
Yeah,
also
miss.
remember
No, miss,
properly.
I create, miss, but it's not working.
So I use in the laptop.
Yeah.
Okay, then anyway, next class then you share your screen. I'll check what's the problem. Okay.
Okay, miss. Okay.
That's good. So happy that you are using, by the way. What about this one? Afra, right? Have you started doing? Sorry, Zainab. Zainab, have you started doing VB.NET? I don't know. Okay, you let me know. Have you started or not? So, not yet. It seems. Right. Try to start. Borrow. Maybe I think your brother's laptop or whatever. Borrow and do, right? So that's fine. Right. So everyone, you all done, right? Okay. She doesn't have a laptop. So everyone done, I hope. So we'll move to the next quiz, right? Just check that this quiz already have you done or not. I'm not pretty sure. Right now I'll share in the message. Everyone check your message. Okay, can you all see the message?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. So check, did you do already this one? So I can't remember actually. Well done or not.
No, miss.
No, no. Okay, that's
Yeah.
cool. Then start to do now. Then I'll also check how is it. Right. So how many questions are there? Career, right?
33.
33
See
question
that.
hours.
Yeah. That might be a little bit hard, huh? No. So yeah, that is a little bit hard. It's okay when it's wrong. You just do, but we'll discuss some questions, not all actually. It's not relevant to your subject as well much, right?
Shall we start, miss?
Yeah, you can start, no problem. You start, but Even though answers are wrong, it's not a problem, huh? Because it's sort of hard for your level. Okay, fine. Start with. By the way, while you're studying VB.NET, are you writing down the date in your books? Anyone doing that work? So I just want to know how many classes have we done? Anyone? No idea, no? I'll
Miss,
check.
we can
We
see in
can
the
see
YouTube
YouTube.
channel.
No, dear. We did in IDM as well. No?
Yeah.
That's. Can I know how many classes? And can you tell me in YouTube how many classes have we
10,
done?
no?
10.
I think.
Okay. Can you tell me in IDM how many classes we did?
3 or
Yeah, I just remember 3 or 4. No. I think the last day was a VB.NET class before the COVID problem, no? Can you remember?
No,
It was a
Miss, last
Tuesday.
day is
A Tuesday.
PSD class. Saturday.
Tuesday. No, dear. Tuesday there was a class. I came to IDM. The last day.
I think 3 days. No.
Sorry?
3 days.
Before. No. Tuesday. I did a class. That was the last day, and after that lockdown. That was my VB last class I did. Saturday, what you told is correct. Saturday I did. Again, VB.NET, I think it was last. So just
Yeah.
check me and let me know how many class I have done in weekdays. Then I can find out how many we have finished already. Okay. So
Okay.
please remind me the IDM one and as well the class which we have done in online as well. Okay. So now, by the way, I want to tell you something. That means my side, I have given a lot for you. Now your side, you all have to practice. Actually, VB.NET is not a theory subject. It is moreover a practical subject. Okay. So you have to practice a lot. You might forget a lot of codings. So practice. To practice only you can do the program, or else you can't do really. It's very hard. So that's why the way I think Marins told you all, just try online to do. Then it will be easy all to know. Now while I'm only teaching and you all didn't practice, you really can't understand what's going on. That is the thing I'm telling you all again and again, right? If you practice only, but now sometimes you might feel you can't understand what I'm teaching. Why is that? Means because you never tried that. That's the problem you might have. Other than VB.NET is actually a really easy subject. If you didn't practice, that will be a problem. Then only you will face the problem mainly in assignments, not even the exams. Now exams, now we are preparing by using quiz and everything. Quiz you can do, that is sure. I think the way you are doing, you all can pass very well. You need more, but right. So same procedure for assignments also. If you practice VB.NET, so it's nothing for you all. You all can do. So try to do that, right? So how many minutes you all needed to do this? I think 15 minutes.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, fine. Students, which question you are going now? Students, are you all there?
28.
28. Sure.
Yeah.
Hey, how is it? Is it hard?
So hard, miss.
So hard. No? Or then do like this. Oh, you're 28 now, so you can finish 30.
Yeah.
Today I thought to discuss maybe 10, right?
Okay.
Right. What about others? Zainab, what about you? Meshi,
I'm 30, miss.
you have done 30. So I'll discuss around 10 questions. So just check. Anyway, have you all finished? What's the marks? Can I know? What was the marks you got? If you all got marks, then I let you know how.
Miss? Miss?
Yes, dear. Yes.
Marks 15 of 33.
50 out of 30, is it?
33. 33. No.
No, I'm asking 50 out of 33. Then what? I didn't get your. To be honest, I didn't try even this, but I just want to know. Out of 50, you got?
Yeah, 50.
Out of 50, you got 33.
Yeah.
Ah, that's cool. Very good. So, okay, wait, we'll see others. How about others? Judith, have you finished?
That is not easy, miss.
Yeah, I know it's very hard.
Miss.
Yes, dear.
13 out of 33.
Okay, 33 is
Yeah.
the cutout marks.
Yeah. 13. I'm 30.
Again, I'm sorry. This one who did Nimeshi, I didn't get you. You got 15.
Yeah, miss.
15, no?
Yeah.
Okay, right. Anyway, both are good. I didn't think that you will get even that amount. That's good. What about Zainab? Zainab, have you done? Put me a text if you finish. We'll wait another 5 minutes for her as well. Okay. Zainab. Okay. She got 10 in Sims. Okay, right, good. Anyway, okay. So all are about 10. I mean, more than 10 you all got. No, it's fine. Right. So shall we discuss the answers now? It will be easy. So I'm going to discuss 10 questions for today. After that, we'll finish the class. So view your answers anyway. Don't close. Did you close the program? Did you close?
No, miss.
No, miss.
Miss?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. I think all got the same answer. I mean, all got the same question, by the way.
Why, miss?
I think it looked different. Let me check. Yeah, I think default properties are always a parameterized property. Is there a question something like that? True or false?
Miss, can you share your screen?
Okay, right. And by the way, what is your question number 3? That also I want to know. What is your question number 3?
Wait.
Yeah, miss, it's
Sorry?
that question. Same,
Same.
miss. Yeah,
Same.
same. Yeah.
Okay. Same thing. Wait, now.
No, miss.
No, right? That's why I'm
No.
asking.
My question is same, no, miss.
Now, check the 4th one.
Fourth.
Choose the correct statement about delegating.
No, miss.
No, right?
Fourth
Yes.
is
No,
correct.
miss.
Same like online exam, like IDM online exam. No, it's not same. Now what to do?
But
I
we
got
have this question, but not 4th one.
Yeah.
33 questions are jumbled.
Yeah.
You can do like online exam, no? Really? Because everyone got the different one. Okay, then I'll click the 5th one. Check. I'll just click something. Next. Now?
No, miss, different.
No. Yeah, even now I see. Okay. What to do? Right. So if I'm going to discuss, I have discussed the 33 questions. Okay. Shall we discuss on next class then? About these questions?
Okay, miss.
So it's a big procedure. We'll see now how many students are there. With that, we'll discuss. Okay.
3.
3 are there now. So next week we'll discuss all of you 3. I think next week when you
Miss?
start, yeah.
Shall we write this questions?
Questions, okay. Like this you can do. There are some easy questions as well, right? Wait, that's why I can't select you and give also. No. Now see, this question you can do. What's the answer for this?
Public.
Yeah. Public? Yeah, public. Right? So like that, you can answer now. So some questions, the way you can select sort of easy ones? No. Out
Yeah.
of 33, you might get some easy questions. Now, first we did in all India exams.
Yeah.
Now you can see these all are easy questions. Okay, so your exam paper won't be hard. I don't think so, right? So what you feel that it's easy like that, you write not everything, right? And write and keep with the question and answer, right? Then we'll discuss that in the next class. Okay, now.
Okay, miss.
So now
Yes.
start to do as a homework, and you should share me the screen,
Okay.
right? Your maybe your book, or if you type in laptop, even whatever, share me the screen. Then it's easy to discuss, right? Sure enough.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll finish the class now, but you all have to do the work. Okay,
Okay, miss.
so agreed, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, so see you next week for VB. Tomorrow you have your PhD class, right? Last class, so please attend everyone, right?
Okay.
Okay, so have a nice day. God
Okay,
bless you
miss.
all.
God bless you,
Okay.
miss.
God
God
bless
bless
you.
you, miss.
God bless you.